Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to do just kind of a clean around the house, and we're also going to decorate for autumn as well. We've got some pumpkins to decorate with. We've got some nice candles that I've actually had for a while, but they are quite autumnal, like the scents and also the colors of the candles. And yeah, I think I'm just going to go around and spruce a bit. Can I just show you the state of my living room at the moment? Yeah, that's what we're working with. Victor is currently busy drawing a pumpkin. What are you drawing?
A pumpkin.
You're drawing a pumpkin?
Yes.
Beautiful. And Victor's got this pumpkin to see for the design, don't you?
Yes.
Are you making a face?
Yes.
Ah, that's so cute.
Look, a pumpkin.
Yeah.
I want to sit with you.
You want to sit with me?
Yes.
Would you like me to draw the pumpkin?
Yes.
Do you want to try to draw another one here?
Yes.
John, that's a really cute pumpkin. It's got lines on it, doesn't it?
Yes.
All these lines. Yeah, so Victor's quite busy doing some drawing. He's actually at home today. He's usually in preschool on days like this, but he's got a bit of a cold, so he had a cough. We had to do a COVID test, which was negative, thankfully. But yeah, he's not going to preschool probably for the rest of the week because he's quite, you know, just kind of ill and not feeling very well. So we've just been having lots of snuggles, just staying inside, which is why the living room looks like this, because he's just been taking everything out. So I just want to go around and tidy a little bit. And yeah, so we've got the pumpkins to decorate with. We actually went to the pumpkin patch last weekend, so I'm going to try to include a few clips from the pumpkin patch here. We go to Tulleys pumpkin patch. It's the one in is it Crawley? I think, I'm not sure if it's in Crawley or outside of Crawley, but it's kind of nearby Crawley, in West Sussex. So that's where we go usually. That's where we went last year, and yeah, it's super fun. They have so many pumpkins and so many cute ones and different sizes. They've got the white ones and the, like, obviously the orange ones. So so nice. So I'll try to include a few clips here.
This one's good.
Mm-hmm.
Good. And now I need this one more. One.
Is it bumpy?
Okay, so this is the current state of our living room, isn't it, Victor?
Yes.
There's so many toys because we were a bit bored just being inside all day, so we got all of them out.
Look, Mommy.
And Victor's made what did you make in here, Victor? In the teepee? Was that your burrow?
Yes.
So he made in here a burrow. He said he was a hedgehog, so he brought all of the blankets in there. So yeah, we're just going to go around and tidy. Are we going to do that together, Victor?
Yes.
Yeah? Shall we put the tidy up song?
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.
Okay, I just wanted to show you quickly a few toys that Victor's been playing with a lot lately, because I think it's one of the most asked questions. It's about his toys and his clothes and things like that. So I'll show you that really quick. So one thing that he's playing with a lot lately is puzzles. He's always loved puzzles. So it kind of comes and goes, like he gets bored of them and then he feels like doing them again. So he's got quite a few. We really love these Got Toys ones, which we got from Amazon. I will try to link them down below if they still have them. And then we also have a Peppa Pig one, a Paw Patrol one, of course. And then I'll show you another toy that we recently got. This he has been playing with since yesterday non-stop, because my husband went to the shop and he got him this Lego set. He's never had a big Lego set like this. So he really loves it. It's a fire engine one. He actually got it in Tesco, I believe. I will try to link it below if I can find it online, which I'm sure I will. But yeah, it's really cool. Comes with these little people that he can play with, and the fire and an extinguisher. So yeah, it's such a cool one. He actually really loved building it, so we actually took it apart a few times and put it back together because he really loved the building process. So yeah, this one's one thing he's been playing with a lot as well. And then another toy that he's been, honestly, I think this is the one that he's been most obsessed with lately. It's these magnet tiles. You can find these on Amazon. That's where I got them from. I don't think you can find them in the shop, or at least in our shops. I've been in town and I was trying to look for them, and no toy shop had magnet tiles. So I don't know if you can find them maybe in certain shops, but yeah, they didn't have it here. So I got it off Amazon, and it's just so much fun. Honestly, it's so satisfying just kind of building things with this. And it comes with lots of different shapes. So we actually got 2 sets. One is this one, and then one is this one that's kind of hollow inside. This is one thing that he's built. He said it's a petrol station. Very appropriate considering the circumstances at the moment. So yeah, it's so cool. You can just like build anything with these. So I will link these down below as well. Okay, now to finish tidying all this up.
I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Okay, that's the toys are all tidied up, and that's about as far as I'll get with the sofa, I think, because Victor's very keen on keeping these for his little burrow, which I'm completely fine with. So I just wanted the kind of the floor to be clear so I could hoover, because I'm not sure if you can see, but there's tons of crumbs on there. So that's what we're going to do, just dust and hoover in here. Victor, would you like to help me dust with these on the furniture? Which one do you want?
The blue one.
Okay, shall we do this one? Thank you so much for the help. Look, there's so much dust here. Oh my goodness. I don't think you guys can see, but so then we can bring the pumpkins and put them up here. What do you think?
Yes.
On repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You
those are the pumpkins that we got at the pumpkin patch, and they're a bit wet because I washed them. So I'm going to bring them inside now, dry them up, and then spread them around the home.
Such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round.
Here are the pumpkins that we're working with. So these are the ones that we got at the pumpkin patch, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah, and then these we got in Poundland. Victor picked them, didn't you? Did you pick these ones?
Yes.
And he's got one in his room. You have an orange one in your room.
Yes, because I really like orange.
You really like orange? Yeah. Can you turn them off to see? That's Victor's favorite part. Can we see?
It flashes lights, Mom.
Flashes colorful light.
This is blue.
I'll be honest, that's not my favorite part about them. But I do like them.
Do you want to turn it on?
I do like them like this.
Don't you turn it
Not
on?
this side. Yes. And then we got a black one and an orange one in your room. We've got 2 candles from Primark. This one with an amber gloss, and then this one kind of a mustard shade. Really cute. And now we are going to decorate, aren't we?
Yes.
And can I just keep it real for a second here? This is what tidying up with kids looks like. It's like 1 minute later, things are back on the floor, but that's okay.
Hey, now you know you have to decide, and you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while, you gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat. You know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. How come I feel we're under attack? Like they're trying to pull us back. We're the only ones who really know which way to go.
Okay, now for the kitchen, I've brought in here a couple of pumpkins. I've got this candle, which I thought would go nicely. This is something we always have on the kitchen table because I just love it so much. This one was from Primark. It's obviously fake. And then I got this basket, which I thought I would use on the table. So I think I'll just go faff around in here and then tidy up all of Victor's crafts and drawing bits and everything like that. I'm actually, so I had this basket, which is obviously not enough for all of his craft bits. So I brought this one in here as well. So I have 2, and hopefully that will fit everything a bit better. So this is what I was thinking at first, but I think, I'm not sure if I like it. I think this basket is way too big for this little table that we have here. So I think I'll just stick to our usual. This is what we usually have on the kitchen table. So I think I'll just leave it like that. And then I'll use these bits instead to decorate on that side.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Yeah, so there we go. We've got those 2 baskets which fit everything so much better now. And then we've got the 2 little pumpkins here, and then I've also placed one here with just a few more decoration bits. This one is from the Mrs. Hinge collection in Tesco. I got it a while ago, but they still have it. I've seen it in the shops still. So yeah, I think it looks so cute. We have pumpkins all over the place. Victor's having some orange pasta, which is very appropriate. It's just like the pumpkins.
Mommy.
Yeah. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry, I'll get it. Do you like our new pumpkins, Victor?
Yeah.
So cute. I'm loving them. Yeah, so Victor's having his lunch. He's just having some pasta, and I think I'm going to have my lunch as well because I'm getting quite hungry. It's 12 p.m. So
Mommy.
I'm going to have my lunch as well. Yes.
And then, Mommy, if you make face, then you can bring them back to the pumpkin part.
Oh, you want to make faces on the pumpkins?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll carve them at Halloween. It's not Halloween yet, okay? So for my lunch, I'm going to have this Yorkshire Provender soup. It's a roast chicken soup with vegetables. It's so delicious. I really like having this, especially on a nice autumnal day like this. It's so crisp outside and sunny. It's my favorite weather. So I'm going to have this with some toast. Excuse all the cow paw in the background. It's the reality of having a sick child, but yeah, that's what I'm going to have for lunch. I mean, I'm going to have half of this because it's 2 servings in here. Yeah, so that's about it from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Do give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!